lab at home. Let's make today the scar shooter. So for which the material required are, from the base kit you require half pop bit and a multi pop bit and a directo. And from the foam board we need the syringe holder bit number 10 and one focus bit number 3, two holder bits, number 4 holder bits number 4. Pop them out, and now let us take from the top up kit two big one 20 ml syringe and one 10 ml syringe, 5 ml syringe, and the pipe, stand bits, 4 stand bits, so these are the materials required for the scar shooter. So let's get started. So let's make a stand now. Insert the bit number 20 into the multi-pop where the grooves are given here. So insert them into this and our stand is ready. Now pop out the center part in the 10 number bit and insert the syringe. Now take the directo bit and insert it perpendicular to it. Now keep this aside. Now take the multi-pop bit with the stand and now insert the holder. These holder bits should be perpendicular to each other. Now keep the directo bit so that the syringe is parallel to the multi-pop. Now insert the half pop bit to the other holder. Now take the focus rings from the focus bit and pop out the centermost part and keep 2 rings. We are keeping 2 rings and insert into the half pop. Take the 20 ml syringe and pull the plunger. Now take the multi-pop assembled thing and pass this pipe through this hole and connect this end to the 20 ml syringe. And the other end to the 5 ml syringe. Now our setup is ready to shoot. Now aim the shooter and apply the pressure on the 20 ml syringe. Shoot it.